Hey everyone, you're sitting on your couch, scrolling through social media, and you stumble upon a post about a new app called Relay. It promises to revolutionize how you send and receive money, offering incredible features like instant transfers and low fees. You're intrigued, but there's one question on your mind. Does your Nigerian bank card work with Relay? Hook. Let's find out together. Context. Relay has taken the world by storm, but for us Nigerians, the most important question is whether our local bank cards are compatible. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Relay and Nigerian banking to answer that burning question. The power of Relay. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly explore what makes Relay so special. It's a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money instantly, regardless of where you or your recipient is located. Think of it as a digital wallet that connects you to a global network of users. Some of the key features of Relay include instant transfers, no more waiting days for funds to clear. With Relay, your money is transferred in seconds. Low fees. Unlike traditional banks, Relay charges minimal fees, making it a cost-effective way to send and receive money. Global reach. Relay works across borders, so you can send money to friends and family anywhere in the world. Security. Your money is protected by advanced security measures, ensuring that your transactions are safe and secure. The Nigerian bank card factor. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Which Nigerian bank cards are compatible with Relay? Unfortunately, not all Nigerian banks have partnered with Relay yet. However, there are a few banks that have embraced this innovative payment solution. Here's a list of Nigerian banks that currently support Relay. Bank A, Bank B, Bank C. If your bank isn't on this list, don't worry. Relay is constantly expanding its partnerships, so there's a good chance that your bank will be added in the future. How to check compatibility. To determine if your specific bank card is compatible with Relay, you can follow these steps. Download the Relay app. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Create an account. Sign up for a Relay account using your email address and phone number. Add your bank card. During the registration process, you'll be prompted to add your bank card. Verify your card. Relay will typically send a small verification transaction to your card to confirm ownership. If your card is compatible, you'll be able to add it to your Relay account and start using the app's features. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when using Relay with your Nigerian bank card. Check for fees. While Relay generally has low fees, it's always a good idea to double-check the specific fees associated with your bank card. Update your app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Relay app installed, as this can sometimes resolve compatibility issues. Contact your bank. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to contact your bank's customer service for assistance. Conclusion. So, does your Nigerian bank card work with Relay? The answer depends on which bank you're with. While not all banks have partnered with Relay yet, there are several options available to Nigerians who want to experience the benefits of this innovative payment app. If your bank isn't currently compatible, don't give up hope. Relay is expanding its partnerships rapidly, so there's a good chance that your bank will be added in the future. Call to action. If you're ready to give Relay a try, download the app today and see for yourself why it's changing the way people send and receive money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.